Good morning, children. Welcome to our next maths class. Today we are going to deal with area related to circles. Okay, in this lesson we are going to deal mainly the two concepts, area of sectors and area of segments. And the last part of this lesson is combination of plane figures. Okay, in that some figures they will ask you to find out the shaded portions area like that. That will come in the third portion. So already you studied what is meant by a circle and what are the different parts of a circle, everything. Okay. In this we are going to deal with the sector and segment. So what is area of a circle? Pi r square, square unit, isn't it? So area of a sector is theta by 360 into pi r square, square unit. Okay. Arc length of a sector already you studied. What is arc length of a sector? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. And perimeter of a sector is L plus 2r. That is arc length plus 2 times the radius. We will get the perimeter of the sector. Okay. So in this first topic we are going to detail finding the areas of a sector and a segment. Let us see with some examples. Let us see exercise 12.1. First question, children. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. So what are the given values in this question? Exercise 12.1, question number 1. They are given two radius, isn't it? So you must write R1 and R2. So R1 is equal to 19 centimeter and they are given R2 is equal to 9 centimeter. These are the two R values. What they ask you to find out? Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. So we must take, let capital R be the radius of, capital R be the radius of new circle. Therefore, by given data, what is the circumference of the new circle with the capital R as radius? 2 pi r, isn't it? That is given as the sum of the circumference of the other two circles with radii 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. So 2 pi r is equal to 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. So 2 pi is the common factor on the right side. So 2 pi capital R is equal to 2 pi into R1 plus R2. See that 2 pi both the sides it is there. So R equal to R1 plus R2. We know the value of R1 and R2. Substitute here 19 plus 9, that is 28 centimeter. Therefore the radius of new circle is equal to, what will be the radius of new circle? 28 centimeter. Understood, children? Those who know the formula, nothing difficult in this lesson. Okay, everything is very easy. You have to understand the concept of the question. Okay, and the logic you have to apply it. Let us see question number 3. Figure, see the board. This figure is given in your textbook. Okay. Figure depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring region from the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing gold score is 21 centimeter and each of the other band is 10.5 centimeter wide. Find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions. So what are the two given values in this question? Each one region's area we must find out, isn't it? So listen carefully. This is very easy if you are listening the class. Okay. So diameter of the gold region, what is given? Diameter of the gold region. Yes, very good. 21 centimeter. So first you must write diameter of gold region. That is given as 21 centimeter. So what about the radius? So I am considering each region's radius as gold region R1, then center to the red region R2, center to the blue region R3, center to black region R4 and center to white region center point we can consider as the radius as R5. Okay. So diameter of the gold region is 21. So R1 be the radius of the gold region. So what will be the radius? Diameter divided by 2, that is 10.5 centimeter. Isn't it? Then we must find out the area of the gold region. What is the area of the gold region? What is the formula for area of a circle? Pi r square, isn't it? Here r is r1. So what will be area of gold region? Area of gold region is equal to pi r1 square, isn't it? That is 22 by 7 into r1. Our r1 value is 10.5. But 10.5 into 10.5 pi r square. So 22 by 7 into 10.5, I can write this as 105 by 10 into 105 by 10. All of you cancel with the common tables. You will get the simplification. After simplification, you will get the value as 105 into 33. 7 table we can cancel this. 1 7 is 7. Balance 3 35. 5 7s are 35. Then this 10, 2 5s are 10, here 21. Then this 2 I can cancel 11. The balance, if you are multiplying 11 into 15 into 21, 11 into 15 into 21 divided by the denominator 10, that is equal to 3465 divided by 10, that is 346.5 centimeter square. So that will be the area of the gold region. Next let us see what is the area of the red region. Okay. So for finding the area of the red region we must we must know the radius R2. Okay. So R2, radius R2 is from center to this boundary, gold region's boundary, we are having the radius as 10.5. Then each width they are given as what? 10.5, isn't it? So what will be R2? ഓരോ വിഡ്ത്തിനും നമുക്ക് 10.5 വിഡ്ത്ത് ഉണ്ട്. പിന്നെ നമ്മൾക്ക് R2 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ R1നോട് കൂടി 10.5 കൂട്ടിയതല്ലേ? യെസ്, ബിക്കോസ് സെന്ററിൽ നിന്ന് ഇതുവരെയുള്ളത് R1. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 10.5. ഓരോ സർക്കുലർ റീജിയണിനും അവർ പറയണത് ബാൻഡിനുള്ള വിഡ്ത്ത് എത്രയാ? 10.5. ഇൻ ദ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഡാറ്റ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഗിവൺ ക്ലിയർലി. So R2 is equal to, next we are going to find the area of the red region. So radius of the red region from center to the boundary, we denoted it by R2. So R2 is equal to what, children? R1. See, center in the gold region the radius plus 10.5. So R1 is 10.5, already it is given. 10.5 plus 10.5, that is 21 centimeter. So radius, if you know radius, it is very easy to find out the area, isn't it? Okay, so what will be the area of the red region? Area of the red region is pi r2 square minus pi r1 square, because this portion's area alone we are going to find, isn't it? അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ആദ്യത്തെ ഗോൾഡ് റീജിയൻ്റെ ഏരിയ വേണ്ട. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? First we must find out the pi r2 square, the full area minus the inside circle, that is the gold region area. ഇത് subtract ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഈ സർക്കുലർ പാത്തിൻ്റെ red region area we will get. Okay, so area of red region is equal to, what is the formula? Pi r2 square minus pi r1 square. So pi into r2 square minus r1 square. This is of the form a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A plus B into A minus B. So pi into, our R2 is 21 centimeter. So 21 plus 10.5 into 21 minus 10.5. Okay. Pi value substitute, children. So we will get 22 by 7 into 21 plus 10.5, 31.5. Isn't it? 31.5 into 21 minus 10.5, 10.5. So 7 and 10.5 we can cancel. 1 7 is 7, balance 3, 35. 5 7s are 35. So the balance you must multiply, you will get the final answer. So if you are multiplying 22 into 31.5 into 1.5, all of you do the rough column, the calculation, children. You will get the answer as 1039.50 centimeter square. Okay. So we will get the area of red region. What is the area of the blue region? R3 is the radius, isn't it? Center in the blue area, blue region boundary very level namukku R3 aanu. Appo R3 is equal to engane ezhudam? R2 plus 10.5, isn't it? So write R3 is equal to R2 plus 10.5, that is R3 is equal to R2 we will get 21 plus 10.5, that is 31.5 centimeter. Now we have to write area of blue region is equal to area of blue region is equal to pi R3 square minus pi R2 square, that is pi into R3 plus R2 into R3 minus R2. So R3 value and R2 values we know well. Substitute here, you will get 22 by 7 into 31.5 plus 21, because R2 we got 21 and 31.5 minus 21. So we will get this as 22 by 7 into 31.5 plus 21 and 31.5 minus 21. You have to do the calculations. So 31.5 plus 21. What you will get? 52.5. 5, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5. Then 31.5 minus 21. 0.5 is there, 0. Then 3 minus 2, 1. So what you will get? 10.5. So after simplification, you will get the answer as 1732.5 centimeter square. So till the blue region, 3 regions area I find out. Okay. The similar procedure you have to continue it, and you must find out the area of the black region and the white region. Okay. They ask you to find out each areas, each colors, circular regions area separately. So till the blue region, 3 parts I find out for you. The remaining 2 parts you must do by yourself. Okay.